This short video is very important to you if you are in search of being sacred and how to be. What is the path, how to get there? Watch this video with sincere attitude to learn and realize phenomena of being sacred. Watch until the end and please subscribe. Have you ever wondered what does it really mean to be sacred? Is it about rituals? Is it about religion? Or is it something deeper within you? Because the truth is, being sacred is not that you perform. It is something that you become. Look at your life, your thoughts, your actions, your reactions to those actions. Are they coming from the noise or from the stillness? Being sacred starts with the awareness. The moment you begin to observe your thoughts instead of getting lost in them, you take your first step towards sacredness. Because a sacred person is not perfect. They're simply conscious. Second, purity of intention. Ask yourself, before anything you do, how am I doing this? Is it ego? Is it validation? Or is it love, honesty and truth? When your intention becomes pure, your actions automatically become powerful and they start replying to you. Third one, respect yourself and show respect to others. Sacredness is not just how you treat the temple. It is how you treat people. It is how you speak. It is how you listen. How you respond when the life challenges you. A sacred person does not react with anger easily. They respond with understanding. Fourth, silence and connection within. In today's world, we are constantly distracted by phones, noise, opinions, but sacredness grows in silence. And within few minutes, every day, just sitting with your own self, no phone, no noise, just you, see how you feel it. Because within that silence, you will meet your true self. And that self is already sacred. And finally, living with the truth. Not the truth the world tells you, but the truth your heart whispers. When your thoughts, words and actions align, that is sacred living. So being sacred is not about becoming someone new. It is about removing what you are not. The ego, the noise, the fear and the anger. And what remains is your true self, your sacred self. So today what we need to do? Don't try to act as sacred. Just to be aware, be honest, be kind, be still, and slowly, naturally, you will become sacred. If this touches your heart, remember, sacredness is not far away from you. It is just one conscious breath away. So, what you need to do, look into your within self. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very, very much. Have a good day.